Yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine. Sunflower yellow. Sunflower yellow is a rich golden shade inspired by sunflowers. Light yellow. Butter is light yellow and creamy. Gold. The gold bracelet shines. Sand yellow. The beach sand glows in a soft sand yellow. Mustard yellow. Mustard sauce has a mustard yellow color. Lemon yellow. The color of a lemon is called lemon yellow. Honey yellow. Honey is sweet and its color is honey yellow. Amber. This gemstone is amber in color. Cream yellow. This vanilla ice cream looks cream yellow. Banana yellow. Banana yellow is a bright, cheerful yellow. Which yellow tone is your favorite?